Hello, hope you are all doing great. I know that during remote learning things can get a little hectic and confusing. Some videos with music are great because children learn best through music, but sometimes the music and video is too much for them. I will try to keep this short. Here are 4 parts of a sentence that can get children writing. As you will see, it's okay to just write the initial letter of a word when starting to write. They should practice the letters and sounds daily along with the sight words. Part 1. A sentence begins with a capital letter. Please remind children that that the beginning of a sentence has to have a capital letter, not a lowercase letter. Part 2. A sentence is a complete idea. We will say, I like to go to the park. We cannot say, like park. That is not a complete sentence, even though it starts with a capital letter and it ends with a period. Part 3. A sentence has space between words. My favorite snack is pizza. My favorite snack is pizza. Favorite snack is not a word. It is 2 words. So we need to make sure we put a space between the words. Again, just because it has a capital letter in the beginning and a period at the end doesn't make it a complete sentence. Part 4. A sentence ends with a punctuation mark. We have a question mark, a period, or an exclamation. If we read it with the correct punctuation, there is feeling in our sentences. My favorite snack is pizza. I like to go to the park. What is your favorite color? If I don't put correct punctuation, we will read it like this. My favorite snack is pizza. I like to go to the park. What is your favorite color? Doesn't sound right. Here is a sentence. This is another issue we are having. Okay. Sorry about that. So, as I was saying, this is another issue we're having, that some children with older brothers and sisters or a parent at home is writing the sentences for them. That is awesome that you are helping them, but they're going to be very dependent on another person to do their job. So we want them to try their best and do their work. So we're going to start with a capital letter. So let's say they tell you, I like to play at the park. Capital I, space. The word like is a sight word which should already be memorized. If not, they could sound it out. I, k. That is okay. I like, space. 2 is also a sight word, which is 2 letters. They should already know how to spell this. T-O, 2. Here comes the word play. Play is hard for them to sound out because this would say p, a, ya. That's why it's a sight word, because you cannot sound them out. But it is okay if they write the initial sound. P. The P says P, space. At. At is also a sight word, but it's also a sight word that you could sound out. At, space. The. The is a very popular word. They should be able to write it right now. So we're going to spell the whole word out because you cannot sound it out. T-H-E says the. Park. That's another sight word because you cannot sound it out. It will be p-a-r-k. Impossible. So if they say p and maybe k and they put a period, that is okay. That is their sentence if they're able to read it. I like to play at the park. For the adults, this is going to look bad. But it's okay if they could read it back to their teacher when asked to. I hope this helped. Hope you have fun writing your sentences. Good luck.